Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, July the 13th, 2021. We have here Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Then we have here Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus, but I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and a tectonic and a binary. So 4 out of 8 I will solve. But first, I will solve this baby number 3089. Yes, 3089. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25, I believe. Yes, 25. Where is my pencil? Okay, here I have one. Alright, 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for 3 stars, if it's really 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the 5? I see here a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5, alright. Then the number 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Okay. Then. How about the number 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. Wait. Let me start with this big square. 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7's are used, I can see. Digit number 3 and number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then. Then. 嗯 Okay. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 4. Then 1, 6, 4. 1 number left in this last column for the number 1. Then 3, 3, 8, 3, 4. 8, 3, 4. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 1, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this third column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 6. So 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 9. Okay. 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the... No. Those 2 boxes, I have not filled the 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. Let me do this again. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 6. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 8, the other pair in this big square are the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the numbers. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 6, 8 and 6. Still cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 numbers in this row? Again, 8 and 6, 8 and 6. And look, we have a 6 there. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 here, so this box is going to be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. One box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9. Okay. One box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box will be an 8, and this box will be a 6. And the final two numbers of this big square for numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. So I'm very well pleased with the time, 20 to 30 minutes. Is this a 3 stars? No, I rather think it's a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku of today. A 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.